Hey friends, today I wanted to share with you a really fun holiday plant. And no, it's not your poinsettia. No, it's not your amaryllis or paper whites. It is the Christmas cactus. And right here, they're so beautiful. You will see mine is flowering right now. And if you don't know, a cactus, a Christmas cactus, is a perennial. So it will come back every year. It's low maintenance and it's easy to grow, and it will flower around the holiday season. Follow these few steps and your low maintenance Christmas cactus will do great. That is a tongue twister for me, just so you know. First, you're gonna wanna think about sun, water, and soil. And the reason why I say sun is a Christmas cactus is not a desert cactus. It comes from South America, the rainforest. It grows on ledges, cliffs, rocks, and it likes that moisture. So it's not a dry heat plant. The reason why I tell you this is if you put your cactus in a window that's really hot, it's going to need more water than if you put it in direct sun. A Christmas cactus, and you see I'm saying that slow, actually loves indirect sunlight. Okay, so that's your sun. Then we're gonna go on to water. If you do have your cactus in a sunny spot, you're going to have to water it 1 to 2 weeks. Keep it moist. If not indirect, you're going to want to give it a little drink of water about every 4 weeks. And the way that you can tell about your water is you will just go about 1 inch down into the soil, and you'll want to make sure that it's got a nice little drink of water and it's not too wet, and you also want great drainage. So there you go. It doesn't need any water. It's going to go in indirect sun. It's going to be perfect. Now we're going to talk about soil. What I do is your cactus does need a little bit of food. I drink coffee, so I use coffee grounds. What I do is I dry them out, put them in the sun. I take 2 tablespoons to 1 cup of soil, potting soil. So here's 1 cup, just so you know. Pop that in there, and then I'm gonna mix it with just a little bit of my coffee grounds, mix it up. After it's done blossoming and flowering, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit in there once in a while. And that way it'll get a little extra food. So friends, I hope you're inspired to get your own Christmas cactus. You know I love the holiday seasons. Be inspired and spread the love.